Well, a lot of people are now wondering what's next now that the suspected Seminole Heights killer has been caught. We're going to continue our team coverage now. I'm joined now by former Hillsborough County prosecutor and WFLA legal analyst Felix Vega. Thanks for being with us.
Absolutely, Josh.
Well, Felix, now we talk about the serial killer case. A lot of people follow the news so much up until it happens and wonder what's the next stage in this case. A lot of people are throwing the death penalty around. So how realistic is that, and could that be in the future?
It could be in the future for any first-degree murder case, and now we have 4 of them. So there's a lot of consideration that they have to put into this. Obviously, the factual investigation, the evidence that they have, but then by law, there's 16 factors, what are called aggravators, that the prosecutors will have to consider. Some of the ones they could possibly use here are whether or not the crimes were cold, premeditated, and calculated, whether they're heinous, atrocious, and cruel. These are really ambush-style attacks on all 4 of the victims, actually. 3 of them, the bus stop ones that all happened relatively close to each other, those are the ones that really, have the ability to really seek the death penalty on. They're also going to consider one other factor possibly is that if the killings themselves posed a greater danger to more people. We had these people living in Seminole Heights, right, 51 straight days, terrorized and afraid to go out of their houses for fear of being shot in the middle of the night. So those are the 3 things. The other thing that they have to consider is they only have 45 days from the case gets to court for their arraignment in order to file a notice saying what aggravators are going to use and that they can prove them beyond a reasonable doubt and give that to the defense.
So they take this big picture now. They know they have their guy. He hasn't been convicted of anything. That's going to be the process.
Correct.
But they look at the aggravators saying if other people were in harm's way, they could just tack on charges to what's already there.
Correct.
On these 4 first-degree murder charges. Now, when it comes to a trial, how is that broken down? Would this be a jury trial? Would there be one trial? Would it be a trial for each victim?
This is a big question I've been getting all day, really, as this case has progressed. So each case is going to be charged individually once it goes to the grand jury. So once the process gets going, each of these cases be going along simultaneously. Sometimes they will take one over another, whichever the one may be the strongest case, but they all will get their own trial. There's a rule in the law called similar fact evidence. So when the cases do go to trial, one by one, say you want to try the case for Benjamin Mitchell first, the other evidence in those other 2, the second and third murders of Monica Hoffa and Mr. Naiboa, their evidence can actually be introduced into Benjamin Mitchell's trial. It's called Williams Rule evidence. So you'll see elements of all 3 cases basically going into each other's cases, but you can't use that evidence to convict the person. You have to have independent evidence, and the focus has got to be on that case alone. But the jury will hear evidence of the other killings as long as they are similar, and it goes to plan, motive, lack of mistake, lack of identification, factors like that.
Got it. And he'll obviously need an attorney, whether he finds one or is appointed one, right?
Yeah, he'll be probably appointed one tomorrow morning at first appearance.
All right, Felix, good to have you here and explain it all for us. We appreciate that. Stacey, let's send it back over to you.